All right, we've got some birthdays to start celebrating today. A little bit of a short list, but that's all right. We start with Ashlyn Schoenhoffer in Parsons, turning 7, and she is pictured with her big sister. A very happy Thursday birthday to you, Ashlyn.
All right, and we've got Alex Welch, turning 13 years old this year, spending some time out with Mother Nature there in Columbus. Happy birthday, Alex.
We also have Shelby Finley turning 15 in Girard today. A very happy birthday to you, Shelby, on this fine Thursday.
Hey, pretty picture there. Anna Coberly celebrating birthday number 18 this year. Anna is in Columbus. Happy birthday wishes coming from the church family at Center Christian Church.
We also have Dustin Hensley, a little further to the northeast in Jasper, celebrating birthday number 39. Dustin, a very happy birthday to you.
All right, looking great in that Cardinal uniform too. All right, and Barbara O'Neill celebrating birthday number 75 this year in Joplin. Happy birthday, Miss Barbara.
We also have Winnie Pack in Chanute celebrating birthday number 88 in Chanute. Winnie, a very happy birthday to you. I hope you make it a fantastic one. And you know what? Just celebrate all week long. I mean, why not?
Chris, where's the party at this week? Today.
Oh my God, I didn't even look. The party is in the bus.
That's right. Valerie Richardson celebrating a birthday in Columbus.
We've got Susan Eckleberry celebrating a birthday as well, and Susan works at the Bryant Student Health Center at Pittsburgh State. And then we have Lloyd Coons celebrating a birthday in the Boss, and Buddy Lago celebrating a birthday in the Boss. That is where the party is today. A very happy birthday to all of you. And of course, if you're wanting to submit some, Tanya's got information on what you need to know to do that.
That's right. All you have to do is email them to us at birthdayswithanS@koamtv.com, and make sure you include all the details that we need too, like the name, first and last, please, and also include a picture if you have one, and tell us when the birthday is and what day you would like it to air.
And of course, while you're visiting our website, you should take an opportunity to sign up for the KOAM News Now Birthday Club. When you do so, you get some coupons and some really cool deals to local businesses. All you've got to do is go to KOAMNewsNow.com and sign up for the KOAM News Now Birthday Club.